Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to use the mobile device for doing inspections, and more importantly how the program allows you to build checklist inspections specific to your needs, and you could update these easily to suit what you do. So from our home page we have a checklist and inspection section, and we go into the checklist library. And that's where there's a whole range of checklists and inspections already stored there for you. And in this case, we want to do an office inspection. We search for the office ones and we want to choose that one over there. And there's a range of items already set up for us to use, marked as either headings, so they go in one color, or a component. And we also have the option of choosing a value. So let's, for example, say we want to add in some foodstuffs, because food is important. So we're going to add in a heading called food, which we mark as a heading. We have milk, how many liters of milk, and that is where we're going to have a value. And then we want to add in there cheese and orange juice. So they're not added onto a list, but they're added on the end of the list, and that doesn't really suit us. We want to put them right at the top because that's really important to what we got. Between number 4 and 5 would be great. So this is a little cheat to do that. So we're going to call that one 4.1, 4.2, and 4.5. You get the idea. So in doing so, when we update the order, it pops it in over there after number 4. But those numbers are a bit messy, so we just update those numbers and it straightens it all out. So milk's a value, that's good. Now what happens, we go back. We go to our checklists and inspections, and here we have the choice of either managing the lists for the mobile or viewing the inspections undertaken. Now, so the steps we took earlier, we could in fact edit them here, but I just wanted to show you where to find the master ones from the home page. So we have our office inspection and we can go back there, and this is where we can tweak it because we're now getting set up to go, but we're happy with that. We now want to see what other inspections we have visible on the phone for the site folk to use. So we look at our general inspections and we go down and we decide we want to do a workshop inspection as well. We select that, and let's also do a housekeeping inspection. So that means that these are the ones that will be visible on the phone for people to use. So let's now get a phone. And so what I have here is a mirror of a phone connected to the system. And if we go into general inspections, there is one that is already done. And now what we're going to do is on the phone itself, we hit the inspection button and we can choose general inspections. And now you'll see those 3 that we selected: the housekeeping, the workplace safety, and the plant inspection. We're going to do the office one, which is that, and our list pops up. So there we can go through instance, because that's very important to report those. Of course, then our section for food, most important, we got milk, yes. And now we see how many liters we got. That is where we go for, we have 10 liters. We got cheese and no orange juice. And then we can continue with our inspection as it goes on. And so we get to our final item. We can then make some notes as well if we want. So we need more cheese and orange. So once done, we hit the done button and we're done. So now when we refresh that, there is our report there. And we go there and we can see the accident reporting all done there, nothing available. And yes, there's milk, 10 liters there, cheese and orange juice. So you can use this to set up anything you like. So if we went to the back to our inspections and we now did vehicles and plant, there are vehicles that are available on a list. And by the same means, we can actually now check on those vehicles. Going back to our vehicle inspections, there it is there, and that's as far as we got. So likewise, when you're setting up for vehicles, you set up the vehicles that are required. These of you, yes, we want to be able to see both those in the checklists. If we don't want that one, we leave it out. Now it means that when we go to do a vehicle checklist, there is only one showing, and that's what's available, and we can now do that particular check. I won't bore you with the rest, but needless to say, we can go now back to our section there There's our second inspection, and that's as far as we got. So as simple as that, you can now add inspections to your mobile device. If it's a specialized inspection, like a site risk assessment, that is set up specially for that one, and you can now go there and you choose your site. So let's say it's that particular one, and now you can do your inspection for that particular site because it is a site-based inspection. There again, you can add in photographs, you can do site briefings, do hazard reports, and incident and accident reports as well. So to access your accident reports, you'll go back to your mobile and selecting this one here. This takes you straight back to the main incident and accident section because these are automatically added into that section. So give that a try. Please note this is available for online clients only and is available on an Android device through a browser and on iOS as well. Thank you. Goodbye.